Hi there, it's Katherine and Ashley, and today we are going to make Tangerine lip scrub. Now you may be asking who Ashley is. Ashley is my daughter Rebecca's friend, the one that gets so excited when she sees her orange gloves in the frame of the picture. So we're going to make Tangerine lip scrub today, and it's a really simple recipe. First we're going to start off with Crafter's Choice olive butter blend. So we want to start with 2 ounces of that. And we've already measured out half an ounce, 0.5 ounce, which is a half an ounce, right? Mm-hmm. Half an ounce of castor oil that we're going to add to this butter blend, the olive butter blend. At least this is easier to get out than last week's lip balm.
Yeah, it only took like a couple. Woo.
Yeah, it was not bad this time. And Ashley is going to add the castor oil. You want to do it now?
You want me to do it now?
I don't care. Sure.
I don't know. All this art stuff is new. You're the boss.
But you do such a good job.
You just pour the cup in.
Yay. Okay. So we're going to heat this in the microwave on a 30-second burst, or 4 30-second bursts, until it's melted and liquefied. So we're going to do that, and we'll be right back. And we're back. We're going to check the temperature of this. We want it to be, we want it to cool to 100 degrees. And right now, it's about 155.
Because the sugar will melt, right? If you put it in there right
Yes,
now?
the sugar will dissolve. We don't want that.
That'll make a bad lip scrub.
Yes, it would. It wouldn't be very effective, but it would taste good. So we're going to let this cool, and we will come back when it gets to be around 100 degrees. Yep, we will.
Intermission. Da 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 da. Your turn. It's a really good intermission.
Exciting. It's very exciting. Okay, that took an exceptionally long time to cool down. How long did it take, Ashley? 30 minutes?
Yeah, like a half an hour.
Meaning
30 minutes.
Okay, so right now we are at 101. I hope you can see that. So we are going to add the sugar. So it's 5 ounces of sugar. 5. Woo! And then we want to add 1 ml of vitamin E. You want to do that, Ashley, and I'll start stirring this. No.
I'm new to this whole YouTube art situation.
It's very sugary.
I'm excited.
Me too. So 1 ml of vitamin E, and we're going to do 2 mLs of Tangerine essential oil.
That is not coming out.
No, sometimes you have to do it. It's really hard to get vitamin E out. Sometimes I have to do it in a couple of...
You give the newbie,
of course,
the hardest job.
Why do you think I did it that way? Of course I did.
It's a test.
So we did 2 mLs of the Tangerine essential oil. Hopefully you can see that.
It is just not coming out. struggling. It's like syrup. It's like trying to get syrup out of a...
Yes, it is.
Dropper.
Did you get a full ml in there?
Mm-hmm.
Did you?
Mm-hmm. That's why I did it twice.
That's pretty good.
Or at least I thought it was. It's like stuck like right there.
There we go.
Got it.
Yay.
Genius hack.
Do you want to put the cap on it and show them what the vitamin E looks like?
Boop. Vitamin E oil.
All right, this smells really good now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells like tangerines.
Imagine that. Ashley, you're full of incredibly wise comments today.
I'm a little nervous. Excited and nervous.
Don't be nervous. They're all our friends.
What if I get a fan base? We want to see more of Ashley in her orange gloves.
I'll make sure to forward any mail directly to you.
I appreciate it.
Anytime. Okay, so now what we need to do is take these half-ounce jars, and the directions say that this will, the recipe says, this will fill 15 of these jars. So we're just going to scoop it in, but leave enough room that we can get the lid on still, right?
Yeah, Captain.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
So we will be back when we get that done.
You make it look easy. I have a feeling it's going to be hard.
It's easy.
Is it? I just dropped it.
I thought it was easy. Let me mix
You're
that
also
back
the
up.
art master.
Doesn't mean I fill sugar into little tubes all the time.
Mm-hmm. You've done it more times than I have.
No. This
Are you
is
sure?
the first time I've ever made lip scrub.
Then why is it so easy for you?
I didn't know that it was. Okay, so here we have our filled containers, and all that's left to do is to put lids on all of our containers and then label them with Tangerine lip scrub, and they are ready to go. They smell good. Wish we had smell-o-vision.
Maybe if you make it yourself, you can smell it.
That's true. We would love to see your spin on these. So if you make these, be sure to tag us. My social media information is at the bottom in the description box on all of my videos. I would love to see your take on these, and we will see you in the next video. I'm glad you could join us. Thanks, Ashley, for helping.
Anytime, anytime.
We will be back with another video next week. Have a great week. Take good care, and we will see you soon. Bye.
Bye.